In this short tutorial, I will show you how to send high-quality photos on WhatsApp. Sending high-quality photos is important if you want to share clear and detailed images with your friends and family. To get started, open up the WhatsApp application and then tap Chats. After that, tap and select the conversation to which you want to send high-quality photos. Then tap on the plus button at the bottom left corner of the screen. Then tap on the Photos option. Now you'll be able to see all your photos. Simply tap and select the photo that you want to send. Now you can add stickers and text and edit the photo if you want to. Then what you want to do next is tap on the HD button at the top. As you can see, right now, this is set to standard quality. Simply change it to HD quality. All you have to do now is send the photo. By following these simple steps, you can easily send high-quality photos on WhatsApp and ensure that your pictures look crisp and clear when received by your contacts. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.